Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me LG Q70 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So great, let's start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put in it. This is either because the phone is not powerful enough to do what you want to do, or because you are not taking a good care of it. So, despite the above, if you follow the instructions I'm about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition, so that it works at its best. So, the first aspect that can slow down your device is a memory. Memory of device is a limited resource, and when you will feel your built-in storage more than 70% full, your device will slowing down. So I suggest you not to fill your device over than 70%. So if you have filled your memory over the 70%, just release the space in your memory. You have three ways to do it. First way is just removing unused applications and unnecessary applications. So just to remove it, to do it, for example, I want to remove Call of Duty Mobile, so to do it, just press and hold on unused applications, click uninstall and click OK. Wait a while, and great. Call of Duty was successfully uninstalled from our device. And of course, you can, of course, you have photos and videos in your device, and it really use memory in your device. Photos and videos using a lot of memory on your device. So here you can unload your photos and videos to your hard drive, for example, to your PC, or you can use cloud storages for it. For example, you can use pre-installed application Google Photo. Google Photo gives you 15 gigabytes for free, so you can unload 15 gigabytes of photos and videos in the cloud storage. Over 15 gigabytes you need to pay, of course, but you can create new Google account and add this Google account to your device, and then just you will have 15 gigabytes for the other photos and videos in your device. You can create 100 accounts on the one and bid it on the one phone number. So you can create several terabytes for your photos and videos, but of course it's not too handy to use, so of course I suggest you to pay for it. But you can look in for alternatives to Google Drive. For example, you can use Mega Drive. For example, Mega Drive gives you 50, not 15, but 50 gigabytes for free. But of course, you will have any restrictions in the free mode, because in Mega Drive, you will have restrictions to uploading photos. You will not to be able to upload over 100 photos in one day, or something else, I don't remember. So great, so just remove unused apps and unload your photos and videos from your hard drive, from your memory drive. And the second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of the device is the lack of RAM. All the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who bought the device with a more temporary storage. So if you want to free up your RAM, just click on this square button and click Clear All. Great, you have freed up your RAM. Cool. And of course, third aspect that can slow down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user, so you need to use applications, third-party applications to clear your device. Here you have Manager, and here you have Smart Clean Application. Smart Clean Application is the pre-installed application in LG devices. So you can use this application to optimize your storage. So for example, here we have internal storage, for example. So just click Optimize Device. And here, as you can see, delete unnecessary files and stop on new tabs. So as you can see, we have remove 700 of unnecessary junk files, harmful files from our device. And of course, the last aspect that you can do to make your device faster is to disable the power saving mode. As you can see, here I have, I don't know, 20 FPS of my screen. It's all because I have enabled battery saver mode. So just open settings, open battery, then scroll down, find battery saver and click off. In this mode, your processor can run in at 100% of the full performance of this processor. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.